Hello Pat and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to be covering the website, the front page, the content, the Google Business Profile, and something that we call backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see here that you have the links to your social media accounts. You actually have lots of back pages, products, the different projects that you have conducted, the click to call button over here. You have these visuals are really nice, the before and after jobs that you have performed, and then a brief intro to the company. And then in the footer, you have the contact details and hours of operation. So overall, it is a well laid out front page, very visually appealing. A couple of things that I would add, perhaps the click to call button at the top and the contact us form. So very easy for anyone at the top as well. So just making it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now your front page has 1190 words. If I have a look at two of your competitors, Arizona Artificial Lawns, these guys have 914 words, and the Synthetic Grass Store, although it's a supplier, they have 519 words. So it's important to actually, have a look at the content. To be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1500 and 2000 words. I can see that you are beating out two of your competitors in this aspect. And it's important the content because when you have the content, then you're able to push through more relevant value intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google when they want to buy a product or a service. So I came here to the Google search and I type in artificial grass phoenix. And the first section that we see is the Google Ads, which are really good at generating traffic and generating leads immediately. The second section is the map pack, which drives 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations. So a directory like Yelp, for example, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Then the next section that we have is the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your competitors. So to rank here, you need a website that is correctly built in terms of content, that is safe, and that is responsive. That means that it loads under 1 second. And then you need something that we call backlinks. So I come here to Ahrefs. This is a tool that I use to analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that there are 12 external websites pointing to your website, so directing traffic to your website through 28 backlinks. If I have a look at Arizona Artificial Lawns, these guys have 83 external websites directing traffic through 309 backlinks, and the Synthetic Grass Store, these guys have 262 external websites directing traffic through 3,666 backlinks. So that backlink profile that we're talking about is the mechanism that Google has to identify which website is the most relevant one according to the search that users are performing. And you have to think about it like a popularity contest. In this case, the website that has the most backlinks is the one that is going to rank at the top. But not only the most, but the most powerful ones. And what I mean by that is that those powerful ones are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. Because Google has mechanisms to verify this and will give you extra credit for this. Now, the other section is the organic keywords. So you are being found for 189 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what these keywords are. The search volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month in Google, and the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, and it's going to be really hard for your website to attract any traffic. I was actually just trying to filter out by Phoenix. Let's have a look. So you have Phoenix, Pavers, and Turf has a search volume of 80, but you're in position 15. Phoenix, Home Putting Greens, Phoenix, Grass for Pets. So perhaps just having a look at that content that you have in there just to make sure that you have the relevant content, let's have a look at your competitors. So Arizona artificial lawns, they are being found for 653 organic keywords. And in here, I can see that they are ranking number 1 and number 2 for quite a number of keywords. So for example, Arizona artificial lawns has a search volume of 200, artificial grass Phoenix 250, Phoenix outdoor artificial grass for dogs 100, artificial grass and dogs Phoenix 100. Because they are in the first and the second position, for example, for the first keyword, the first position, they were able to drive 73 visits to their website. The second position, out of 250, they were able to drive 51 visits to their website. So basically, the message here is that you want to maximize the number of times your website is in front of potential customers, and you do that by adding the right content to your website. And once you have done that, it means that your website is going to be in front of potential customers more often, and then a percentage of those customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information to improve the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.